Ah, this is what happened. Oh my God. What the hell kind of, Jesus Christ, what the hell kind of microwave is this? I just got it off of Amazon. COMFEE. Wow. That's messed up. That's messed up. Look, it all melted. And all I was doing was a cardboard box. Yeah, it's cardboard. There's no metal. It had mac and cheese in it. No metal. The other the ashes came from this. When I was trying to do some ribs. And notice, this is just cardboard. These are microwavable all the time. Wow, I want my money back.
If you try to set the time for cooking, you can say a minute, press start, nothing happens. Okay, I'm a senior. All I do is warm water and my dinner, and this thing is very disappointing. I feel taken. Shame on you.
This microwave was everything that it said it was. Very nice and compact, but very powerful. When I received it, everything was in the box, packaged properly so that the glass wouldn't get broken. As you can see inside, everything is nice and clean and sparkly. It came with the little glass and the little brown thing on the bottom for the glass to spin around. Very nice and clean, very compact. Everything was in there. It came with a card. You can register the product. Very, very, very nice. Thank you, COMFEE.
I'm gonna look into that. Has a little instructions right here. Oh, yeah. Much needed.
I bought this microwave on Amazon. It can heat and cook various foods. It's really good. It works very quickly, heats well. I highly recommend it. Besides the price, it's a compact size that fits in small spaces. It's really good.
Alright, so I literally just bought this microwave from Amazon. I also bought the plug for it, you know. Alright, so with this microwave, once you turn it on, it's like for 30 seconds and it stops. When it stops, you know, you can't just open it like this, you know. You would have to go and press the open door to actually open this microwave. It's pretty decent, pretty small, good to use.
Literally just got it, plugged it up. For some reason, it will not turn on. It will not turn off. I can't. There's literally nothing I can do. The only way to stop it, even though I haven't done anything, is 0. Is to literally unplug it. soon as you plug it back in. Don't buy it.
Nice.